glass fiber shower repair.
Okay, I'm going to start with roughing it up and cutting off pieces that are totally not repairable. So, I don't think this is strong enough, so I'm gonna use acetone instead to make sure I have a good grip. Taking this outside to cut. Alright, pouring the resin. Adding the hardener. Going to start saturating the holes. I have about 10 minutes before this is starting to harden. Pushing some of the fibers down into the holes where it's possible. I can see it's starting to gel. Alright, so yesterday I laid 2 types of fiberglass and let those cure overnight. So I'm back today, and it has hardened, and I'm going to grind it down, smooth it out, and then finish it with a top coat. Okay, sanding is done. Oh my gosh, check this out. Very dusty. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so I just wiped it down with acetone. I removed the dust first and then soaked it with acetone and cleaned it up so you will get a good grip for the paint. Alright, so now sanding and cleaning is done using this marine grade paint. Just to make it look more even. And that's it. It's done. I'm gonna let it cure for 24 hours. I'm gonna tell them that they take the masking tape off. GoPro, stop recording.